I have with me Mr. Sumit Dev, and of course he will give his introduction in the company that he's representing. It's a pleasure to have you, sir.
Thank you so much.
In this Workplace Happiness Bootcamp version 2 in Mumbai. Could you just say a few lines about yourself and your team, because I believe it's a large team that's representing your company here.
Hello, I'm Sumit Dev, and I am representing NMDC, that's National Mineral Development Corporation. We are from Hyderabad. This team is from Hyderabad, and we are 6 members of the team. And
Right.
it's a fantastic experience being here, and a great learning process.
Right.
We as a team, in fact, I'm very thankful to the chairman of the company who thought that there's a team which needs to actually get into this as a PSU, as a public sector. We work in very different atmosphere.
True.
And it is something which I love having.
Absolutely.
It's a pleasure.
Right. So, what's the takeaway that the team is going to be able to go back and implement on the floor, maybe in the next 3 months or so?
There are several initiatives. I mean, this has been a very great learning journey for us.
Right.
And there are things which we have actually come across. We have never been in such a sort of course or environment. But then there are several initiatives, several takeaways which we have found.
Okay.
The one is the culture. I mean, the company's culture.
Right.
That's something which we need to understand and actually implement and develop further. And then there's another thing is alignment of the goals of the company with the employees, employee, and that's something which is very important for us.
Right.
Growth opportunities, people around us. I mean, it ultimately boils down to the employees of the company.
Absolutely.
How to keep them motivated, how to keep them inspired,
Right.
and there are several others like the higher purpose of the company.
Right.
I mean, what is the higher purpose? So that's very important. How it percolates down to the employees, and how we as a team can actually build that sort of atmosphere, that culture in the company.
Correct. And do you think this is going to be useful for other public sector companies? And would you sort of advise other organizations to be sort of following the bandwagon?
In fact, it is something which we need to actually come up with in public sectors, because public sector as an organization, we have got set sort of rules, we have got set of procedures. So these are things which now are in terms of employee, because the employees are now the millennials, people who are coming in. I mean, their expectations levels have gone up.
Right.
So there are things which we need actually as an organization. We cannot be working, and there's a lot of change happening, and this is actually this change management process of change management. So we need to actually do such sort of courses, and probably then that's how people are going to, the organization is going to go stronger and be prepared for moving forward.
Great. Thank you so much, Mr. Dev. It's a pleasure to have you and your team, and we hope to be working together further.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.